Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use maps on your Galaxy Watch. First, make sure your watch is properly connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Next, locate and tap the Google Maps application icon directly on your watch's display. Before starting, verify that location services are active on both your watch and phone for the best navigation experience. This ensures precise positioning and reliable directions throughout your journey, making your travels much smoother and more efficient. Once Google Maps is open, finding your destination is straightforward. You can use the convenient voice input feature by tapping the microphone icon or type using the small on-screen keyboard. After searching, a list of potential destinations will appear. Simply tap the correct one. Then, select your travel method, whether you are walking, cycling, or driving, to get tailored directions for your journey. This flexibility helps you navigate any path. As you begin your journey, your Galaxy Watch will provide clear, turn-by-turn directions right on its display. You will feel gentle haptic vibrations on your wrist, signaling upcoming turns or important exits, so you can keep your eyes on your surroundings. The watch also conveniently shows your estimated arrival time and the remaining distance to your destination, allowing you to monitor your progress effortlessly. This hands-free guidance makes navigating simple and safe. To enhance your map experience, consider downloading offline maps on your paired smartphone. This allows you to navigate even when you lose internet connection, which is incredibly useful in remote areas. You can easily adjust the map view by rotating the bezel or using pinch-to-zoom gestures on the screen. Additionally, your watch keeps a record of recent destinations, making it simple to quickly start navigation to frequently visited places. These features ensure you are always prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.